Light up your world with our brilliant, unnecessarily bright, portable light switches. Useful in 1,000 different ways. Blind your friends.
Hey, what you got there? Oh, what is that? What is it?
Thwart mugging attempts.
Give me your purse.
Interrogate your children.
Have you been drinking?
No.
Have you been drinking?
Jesus, maybe one.
Light up nature.
Wow. It's a good thing Bowler installed light switches on all their trees.
I know, right? We're also gonna have to like use our cell phones or something.
I know. Yeah.
Compete in illegal street racing. The possibilities are endless. Get yours and let your reign of terror begin today.